Alright guys, I'm going to spin the numbers here. Falcons Eagles. Bobblehead pool, 3:07 p.m. January 13th. We are going to go live. We are live at 3:07 p.m. 3:07 p.m. We are going to grab our list, our numbers here. 10 entries. Drop them into random. 10 entries. Zach on the bottom. Or Zach on top, John on the bottom. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a Raz. And we have a 7. That's high enough. We're going 7 times. Good luck. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click. I got your numbers. And 7. Here's the numbers for the pool. I will drop them in the bottom of the post. We are done. 3:08 p.m. Timestamp verification code. We will type done. 3:08 p.m. 3:08 p.m.